Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on today's tutorial I'll be doing another trendy Gele style for you guys. So at first I'll be creating my plate. I created like 7 plates first. So now I'm extending the plates I created at the front. I'm extending it to the both side. Now I'm going back to cross the both end of the Gele. So guys, for this Gele tutorial is 50-50 ratio for the Gele tutorial. So one side I will be creating fan. Just look at what I'm doing guys. This Gele is very easy. You can tie it to Owambe parties, to church, to any event you want. You can even tie it for a bride. So guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30 makeover. glambeauty30. Follow me, like my pictures, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, comment guys, comment, let me know what you think about my video. So now after creating my plates, I'm extending it. I'll create splits. I'll do it the way I do my fan. I'll create splits, I will extend it. So as you can see, it is forming the fan now. So now I'll be extending it now. So this Gele is very easy guys, it's very easy. So after doing that, I'll be using office pin to pin it down at the front there, because I'll be going back to bring the other hand on top of it. So I have to use office pin to secure the fan for the fan not to fall when me placing it on top. So you will see what I'm trying to do there now. So now I'm going back. Now I'm using office pin to hold it down there. So now I'll be going back now. Yes, this is the other hand. Now I'll be using, so I'll be creating normal pleats there now, just like the way we used to create our normal round plates. That is what I'll be doing there now. I'm sorry guys if my hand is blocking you, I'm very sorry. So now I'll continue extending the plates. Guys, just look at the way I'm doing it. I'm continuing extending the plates. So that is it guys. That is it. The Gele is very easy guys, not something that is hard. All this Gele that we do see on Instagram is very easy, something that is very simple. That is why I try my possible best. For me, I do try my possible best doing my tutorial, making it more details for you guys to understand what I'm doing. So I just hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share the video with your loved ones, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and patronize your girl. I base in Lagos, Nigeria. Here I do makeup, Gele. So patronize your girl. I'm so affordable, and I also do training. So patronize your girl. So that is it about the tutorial guys. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's come out very nice. So that is it guys. Please don't forget to like. So I will see you guys in my next tutorial guys. Love you guys. Give it a big thumbs up.